How to fix NFC reader tag not working on your iPhone. So the first thing that you can do is get to your settings, and then from here tap on General, and in here tap on AirDrop. So after doing that, here bringing devices together must be turned on just like this. So after making sure that if it's still not working, then try to make sure that you are using the latest software of your iPhone. Go back, and then in General tap on Software Update, and then in here, if there are any kind of update requirement, there will be the option of update now or tonight. You can select according to your preference and update your software like that. So even after updating, if it's still not working, then you can try to reset all of your settings. For that, again, go back and again on the General, scroll all the way down, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then from here, tap on Reset, and then tap on Reset All Settings. After doing that, enter your phone's passcode. And finally, all you have to do is tap on Reset All Settings, and all of your settings will be back to default. And like that, I'm pretty sure that your NFC reader tag will be working. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.